is Azan? Before I start explaining it to you, let me just tell you one very interesting thing. Every time Azan used to happen, the color of the face of Hazrat Ali Karamallah Wajhu used to change. And people used to come up to him and they used to say to him, why is it that, when you listen to the Quran, okay, great, when you listen to the Hadith, great, but once you listen to the Azan, the face of your, the color of your face changes. He says, if only you would understand what is being said in the Azan, you will feel exactly the way I'm feeling. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. 4 Allahu Akbars, 4 takbeers. Allah is the greatest on this side, Allah is the greatest on this side, Allah is the greatest on this side, Allah is the greatest on this side. 4 directions are covered. Wherever you will look, Allah is the greatest. God is the greatest. Everything is created by Him. Wherever I am looking, I can see the sky. Who created this? I can see the building. Where did the mud and the clay come from? I can see the sky. I can see the earth. I can see the people. So Allah says, wherever you're going to look, I am the greatest. You will find me as the greatest. Wherever you will look, you will just find me. So look in the 4 directions. And I am the greatest. Okay. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. I want you all to bear witness of the fact, Allah says, bear witness of the fact that there is no ilah but me. What is an ilah? What is a Rabb? That's the $1 million question. What is ilah? What is Rabb? Rabb is the one. Now I want you all to think about yourself. I want even you two guys to think about it. Yeah, there are brothers. They need it as much as you and I do. Yeah. They also deserve a great, happy life. They have wives. The 2 of them separately have wives. I don't want you guys to get into problem, man. They have children. They want to be happy. They want to be healthy. We all want this, right? So Allah says, bear witness of the fact that whatever goodness, whatever happiness, whatever good or bad that is coming towards you is coming towards you through nobody but just one me. Right? The rizq, the posterity, the happiness, the money, the wealth, the health, children, every little thing is coming towards you. Whatever is coming towards you is coming through me, nobody else. Please, each and every one of you, bear witness of this fact. Bear witness. So I say to myself, I bear witness. I used to think, why is it Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah twice in it? Have you ever gone onto the internet? You go onto the internet and you sign your name and they say, put in the password. And you put in the password and they say, verify the password. Verify it. When you're saying something, we don't say to each other, excuse me, what did you say? Say that again. What did you say? Say that again. It's a verification. Did you just say this? Say that again. I heard what she said. Right? I want to hear it from her again. So Allah says, you've said it once. You said it once. Now I want you to act upon it. The 24 hours of your life should show me that you bear witness of the fact that I am your Rabb. I am your Lord. I am the one on whom every little thing that you're doing, you're thinking of me. leave someone, suddenly this little thing comes to my mind that Allah is watching me. Right? So I stop. I'm not stopping because the police is not watching me. I'm stopping because Allah is watching me. God is watching me. The one who created me is watching me, and I stop. This is Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah, because He's watching me. So I stop. So first He wants us to say it, and then He says, now you practice it. Not just say it. So we say it the second time. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. The Azan is going. Now He says another important thing. Ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Now you say it. That Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is your prophet. Say it. So we say, Ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. He says, no, that's not enough. Saying is not enough. Say it again, because I want you to practice it now.